always say, welcome back, India, to your Caribou Data Science channel. This is the afternoon of Monday, March the 4th, 2022. And before we get started, I just want to check over, make sure there's no one lurking in the background I should be aware of. Unfortunately not. Unfortunately not. But that's okay. So before we get started, India, the favorite course is the one favorite day is what? Click on the share button. Share this video today with your friends and family on your Facebook and on your favorite social media accounts, okay? Now let's just come over here and let's just make sure the numbers make sense over here also. Okay, what does that mean? Huh, source. Okay, that's interesting. So now, Andy, let's go and run your report for today. So you can see, India, for the previous 365 days, you've had 30.5 million cases, 349,361 deaths. The good news is that your 2022 cases that have not caught the 2021 cases. That's really good news. Same thing with good news with deaths. Deaths have not caught 2021 deaths. If you take a look here at the numbers as of March the 31st, okay, uh, you were averaging 1,188 cases per day. What about deaths? Well, as far as deaths are concerned, why do we have these little like spikes right here? That's really kind of strange. And as of March the 31st, you were averaging 46.1 deaths per day. Take a look at this nice declining pattern in COVID-19 cases since January. Okay, that's fantastic news. Deaths, despite this hiccup here, you still have a nice downward trend. Last week was below these weeks over here. So the decline has resumed in COVID-19 deaths in India. What about cases, monthly cases? Well, you can see that, this was the second most cases since all the way back over here to June of last year, okay? But still, the good news is it's below the January numbers. Wait a minute, hold on a second. January, this is March. Look how low your cases were in March. It's below. This is the lowest number of any of the previous 12 months cases for India. That is fantastic news. That's really good news. Okay, what about deaths? Well, again, this January, February, March. You can see that March's deaths were lower than they were actually lower than in any of the previous 12 months also. So that's fantastic news. You know, the lowest number of cases and deaths out of any of the previous 12 months. That is the best news I've seen so far today, okay, as far as COVID-19. Fantastic, okay? But anyway, India, that takes care of your report for today. Before I let you go, of course, my favor is what? Click on the share button, share this video on your favorite social media accounts with your friends and family today, okay?